Hey, Greg Davis here in Savannah. I wanted to give you a quick video walkthrough of the 290 Sundeck. We just got in. This is joystick piloting, twin 250 Verados. It's still a little dirty, we just got it in. But I'll give you a walkthrough. No really bad dings. Little rash on the side, but nothing major. No hull damage anywhere. It does have the boarding lights, anchor windlass, Fender Pros. Needs a good cleaning. Seadeck Installed. And I'll get up and give you a walkthrough inside real quick. There's a big back Sundeck storage on the sides. The doggy door. This has got the sport top tow point up there. You can actually lay it down also. You can see the cockpit here. They do not have the grill. They have the fridge though. Storage all the way around. They have the Raymarine joystick piloting. Great bow rider up front, table for up front. Nice head on it. And the rear area's got a ton of storage here. There's fire extinguisher, life jackets. Great amount of shades. Got lighting inside the arch. If you have any other questions, you can reach me on my cell, 912-398-8134. Thanks.